Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to share game link in Facebook group. So first to do that, you have to open the Facebook app on your iPhone, then you tap at the profile icon menu on your iPhone, tap on it. Once you tap on it, then you're going to tap on this option which is called group. Then you can simply tap on your group option at this top here, or you can also tap on manage. Once you tap on manage, take you to the groups you have under your groups. Then once you do that, then you can easily scroll down, then you tap on add features. Once you do that, then you scroll down a little, then tap on this option right here, game links. You add at it. Once you add, then you can tap and set it up. Then from here now, you will ask to link a particular game. Then you're gonna tap on at it, link games. Okay, let's search a particular game. Let's say NASCAR. Okay, here's it. You can add this. Okay, not mascara. We search NASCAR. Yeah, there's it. NASCAR, good. So let's add this particular page, this game, NASCAR 85. Let's add this also. Then let's add NASCAR 21 ignition. Good. Let's keep from when it's to load. Once you do that, then you can move back. You can see these 3 games has been added to your game link. Then from there you can now link. Okay, from then you can now play the game with your friends in the group. If I'm really helpful, I can follow for more.